Same day for us, different day for you.
YouTube magic.
YouTube magic. Sam's hatch, we just gotta tape up a few more things, put some bags over some stuff, and wipe it down. And then she is going to be black.
We don't know what color it is.
We don't know yet. International Harvester Red.
Drop a comment below and tell us what color you think we're about to paint this, because we ain't about to tell you. Yeah, highly disappointed.
We just got the car taped up, put the paper down on it. Tommy's finishing up the last mirror over there. And the next thing we gotta do is go ahead and clean off the car. We got some grease on it and stuff from moving around, working on it here and there. Like I said, everything is taped up. This is the last time we will see it gray. He comes bearing gifts. 3 rags for us. 1 for each of us.
Okay, so we are currently wax and grease removing the car. That way it's clean and there's no grease or any contaminants on the primer. Everything's all masked off. So we're gonna set this guy up and let her rip.
Alright, just to catch you up with where we're at. Yesterday we laid some test paint. We were just trying to figure out the ratio, the proper mix and everything. So we did end up painting the rear garnish yesterday and one of Tommy's over fenders. If you haven't done so already, definitely go check out Street Fiberglass and Tommy's over fenders. But here is the outcome of the paint that we are using. So it looks pretty good. Once again, this isn't expensive paint. We are just using a company called Majik paint. It's at our local Tractor Supply. It's actually tractor paint, believe it or not, but we have a little bit of a trick on how to make it look really good. Maybe we will do a video on it eventually. But yeah, we just got the car all taped up. Just wiped it down with wax and grease remover. Sam is now tack clothing it, and then Tommy is ready to shoot some spray. Alright, so Sam and I are mixing up the first batch of paint. We are doing a 4-3 quarter ratio, so we're timesing everything by 4. We are doing 4 paint, 3 reducer, a quarter hardener, catalyst hardener, and
what's it, 16, 12 to 1. So we're doing everything in ounces. Like 1 ounce, 12 ounces reducer, and 16 paint. But yeah, because these mixing cups are just like 511, 611. And this is tractor paint, and we have to reduce it a lot. That's a lot of reducer.
So yeah, we're gonna go ahead, get the gun filled up for the man of the hour. Sam is doing the last bit of tack clothing. Tommy's cleaning the gun out one last time. We are about to finally paint the hatch. I'm gonna take a minute to thank all the people for giving a like and hurrying up the process by like 4 or 5 minutes.
We appreciate each and every one of you for getting us right here.
Yeah, very moment. Take one last look at it before we start painting.
Go, so.
Hatch is finally black.
And we're just gonna do the bumper, but. And the hood. Hood needs that stuff. One more coat. Other than that, for $50 paint, This shit looks half decent.
Yeah, it does.
Like, I'm impressed.
Hell yeah.
Yeah, dude, $50, that ain't bad.
Not at all.
The ammo too, they're really fucking strong.
Yeah.
You know, I don't really care about like. There's a lot of bugs in this. To be honest, it's not perfect.
After a couple events, you won't even see them.
Yeah. This is like a thrash cart, and there was a whole bunch of different colors. The body was like way worse than what it is now. I'm just glad like it's as good as it is. You know, if I ever did want to, we prepped it like it should be. So like if I ever had to change a color or actually, you know, properly do a different paint, all we'd have to do is scuff it and go over it, because it's everything else is done. It's just these bugs that are getting in it. It would be perfect if we didn't have bugs. I mean, it looks like after it's going to be buffed, whenever this is obviously cured, and probably let it sit for a week, well, until the event.
You just gave him our secret. I was telling him about that earlier. I was telling you guys about our secret earlier. We will probably have another video for that. But for a $40 paint job, you can't beat this. And our secret will make it a nice paint job. Tommy's just going ahead, finishing up the last few things. But other than that, it looks incredible. Sam's finally going black with us. And yeah.
We're gonna put the paint to the test. I am like, yeah, that's what I'm doing now. But I don't really have time to scuff the front. The front bumper is fucked up anyways. Like someone tried cutting it out for the inner core. It looks terrible. But we're just gonna. I scuffed it a little bit. I got like all the deep, you know, bruises and stuff from the old paint. But we're just gonna scuff it and then paint it and see how it looks. Without, with like barely prepping it. Again, that bumper sucks. I have like 6 of those, so. And either way, as far as getting a KBD kit after probably a few events.
Oh yeah. So we really were pushing to paint it black because the first event of the year is next weekend and we're all gonna be black. So it's gonna be super cool. I know I should have my mask on. I've had a mask on this whole time. I'm just trying to catch you guys all up with what's going on. But yeah, we're really, really happy with the results. Like we said, it's a $40 paint job. We got it from a local store called Tractor Supply. It's meant for tractors, but we will have it looking good. And we are actually really surprised with the results. So this is our first time using it, and I think we would use it again, especially for a drift car. So we'll catch you up once we're done. We'll take you along for the ride with the bumper. Sam looks like he's going ahead right now and wiping it down with wax and grease remover, and then he's gonna tack cloth it, and then Tommy Bananas is gonna spray it. So, yeah. We actually decided to sand the bumper. As you can see, Sam is doing that right now. Once we're done with that, we're gonna go ahead and lay some paint on that. I think we have one more coat to lay on the hood, and yeah, the car looks really good. We're super stoked. Sam's super stoked. Finally one color, finally looking good.
I think all the bugs died from the fumes. There's just like no more blame.
So we just got the bumper painted up, looking pretty good. Nissan.
through to see what we've done. And I'm gonna shut this music down. Okay guys, so we finally have the hatch painted. It's done. Yeah, boy. The hatch is painted. So here it is. Mind you, this was $50 paint. So, just keep that in mind. It looks good. For 50 bucks, I wouldn't complain. I can't complain. Look at this. So, all in all, it looks really good. I'm happy, Sam's happy, everyone's happy. I hope you guys are happy for what you've witnessed. Just remember, like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one. Have a nice one.